Howdy folks, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. In this video, we're going to show you how to winterize a Flagstaff A-frame camper. That's done. We're in here on our water heater. So what we're going to do is turn off the water to the tank. So there's our colds, and now this is our hot, so now there's no water going to the tank. And now what we're going to do is turn the bypass on, so now water will go this way instead of going into the tank, and we drain the tank, so we're done here. This is just any water in the line will come out. We're not going to get much. No, we're not going to get anything.
Okay.
We got a little. But this is not the tank. We got to go to the other. I'm at the back left on the driver's side of the little RV. And if we had water in the tank, we would drain it here. But we don't have any water in the tank. So, nothing to do here. So obviously we're taking off this water filter here. I'm doing my best to minimize the spilling and the water getting in the wrong place. It's very full. Okay. We're just getting some water onto our towel. There we go. Okay. Water flows this way. The right is the out of the pump. That means the pump is pushing. So the pump pushes up. This is the water connection on the outside, so it's going to flow that same way. But we want to get coolant in, so that means here on the left is where it's coming in. So we have to take that off. All right. Nice. Okay. Hey, there we go. Now we made some progress.
Now that your hand's out of the way. That hose is going to go into our antifreeze. Turn the water pump on.
Yep.
Okay. Looky there. Filling up the filter case.
Okay, that's interesting. Alright, that seems successful.
Okay. go to the hot water. It goes back to white. I'm doing the hot water now. It's starting to go pink again. Good. Pink water. There's pink water. Okay. That's pink. Yep. You did both hot and cold. Yep, cold. Good. Done. Sweet.
And then if I do that, good.
Okay.
Well, there you have it, folks. We've winterized our rig, and we should be in good shape. If you have any feedback for us, if you think we missed something, you think we did something wrong, or you just appreciate it, please give us a comment. Thanks for watching.